Herbal medicine has been used for centuries as an effective and natural way to treat a variety of ailments. Plants have been used to create remedies for common health issues, such as headaches and digestive disorders, as well as more complex diseases like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. In this essay, we will explore the various types of plants that are commonly used in herbal medicine. Herbal medicine has been used for thousands of years, and its roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine in India are two well-known systems that rely heavily on herbal remedies. Today, herbal medicine is gaining popularity as more people are looking for natural alternatives to pharmaceutical drugs. Echinacea, this herb is commonly used to boost the immune system and help fight off infections. It has been shown to be effective against upper respiratory infections, such as the common cold and flu. Street Johnswort, this herb is commonly used to treat mild to moderate depression. It is believed to work by increasing the levels of serotonin and other neurotransmitters in the brain. Turmeric, this spice is commonly used in Indian cuisine and is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It has been shown to be effective against a variety of conditions, including arthritis and digestive disorders. Ginger, this root is commonly used to treat nausea and vomiting. It has also been shown to be effective against migraines and arthritis. Milk thistle, this herb is commonly used to support liver function and detoxification. It has been shown to be effective against liver damage caused by alcohol and other toxins. Valerian, this herb is commonly used to treat insomnia and anxiety. It has been shown to be effective in improving sleep quality and reducing anxiety symptoms. Saw palmetto, this herb is commonly used to treat prostate problems, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH). It has been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms associated with BPH, such as frequent urination and difficulty urinating. Ginkgo biloba, this herb is commonly used to improve cognitive function and memory. It has been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms associated with Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Aloe vera, this plant is commonly used to treat skin irritations and burns. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which make it effective in treating wounds and promoting healing. Chamomile, this herb is commonly used to treat anxiety and insomnia. It has a calming effect on the body and can help promote restful sleep. Chamomile can also be used to treat digestive disorders, such as bloating and indigestion. Garlic, this herb is commonly used to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It has also been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which make it effective in treating infections.